welcome to the channel. Today we're in St. James, Minnesota, and we're going to be filming some micro mini tractor pulling. Stay tuned, it's going to be epic. Let's go check out the action. What class are we in now?
We're in four-wheel drive pickup class, 6 pounds.
Micro mini pulling, they also prep the track in between every single run using denatured alcohol to wipe down the track in between every single run, so each individual puller has the same track to pull on, essentially like they do in the big pulling with dirt tracks. We have finished up the 4x4 truck class, and we are moving into the open class now, where we will run single engine up to 4 engines in this class. So it's going to be really exciting. We've got, I would have to guess, close to 300 pounds on the sled or more, and it's going to be absolutely insane. What are we looking at here? What are we running?
This tractor is a 6-pound unlimited tractor. It's got 4 Traxxas 15 motors. There's been no modifications to them yet. Running 55% Nitro. I built this tractor in 2020 because, as everybody knows, COVID. We had nothing to do. Couldn't go to a tavern or go hang out with friends. So I just set to the machine shop and decided this was rolling around in my head, and I decided to build this tractor. As you can see, there's a lot of, the gear train in there. There's a lot of stuff that went into this. This tractor's been probably together and apart probably 20 times just to make sure that the weight out of it. It actually has a titanium drive shaft in here and a couple of titanium shafts up front.
Wow. What size tires are you running on the back of this?
These are I think they're 5 3/4 inch in diameter and about 3.5 inches wide.
Wow, that's crazy.
And yesterday, I can't remember what we were pulling in the unlimited class on the sled. It was over 500 pounds.
Yeah, it was.
So we've pulled as much as probably 600 with it.
The boat was loaded yesterday, and on average, when it's going down the track, how many RPMs do you think it's turning?
Oh, they're probably turning, each motor's probably turning 25 to 30,000 RPMs. Wow. on, like I said again, 50 to 55% Nitro.
So make sure you got your ear protection on.
Yep, wear the hearing protection.
RPM on the sled?
350.
350?
Yeah.
Well, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more Micro Mini pulling content, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. We'll see you guys in the next one.